Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at this beautiful Rolex 26mm Oyster Perpetual Datejust. This is the classic Rolex ladies size, but it's a very modern and contemporary and updated version of that. It's got this beautiful Jubilee bracelet with a hidden crown clasp, and it's in two-tone rose gold and stainless steel, which comes up to this gorgeous fluted bezel, which is a classic and iconic Rolex staple. And this beautiful Rolex Jubilee or Anniversary Dial in this pretty pink. I love this pink paired with this rose gold. I think it's so gorgeous, and it adds a lot of depth and texture to this watch, this dial. The Rolex Rose Gold is also some of the most robust that they produce, and it's a great option for ladies who want to wear rose gold every single day and they don't want to worry about their rose gold dulling or losing its color over time. I think this watch is a great choice for ladies who just want a Rolex to wear every single day and they love the Rolex brand and they want to show that off with this beautiful anniversary dial. Even if you don't know what it says, it adds a lot of that extra texture and extra interest to the dial. I think this is so gorgeous, and of course it's got these beautiful diamond hour markers as well. This watch is a great choice for a gift or for a gift for yourself. So if you have fallen in love with this, you should check this watch and all of our other Rolex ladies watches at SwissWatchExpo.com.